What's up, guys? My name's Dylan Laurie, and I drum in this band called Saturn Lights. I've been playing for, since I was 6 years old. I'm 20 now. So I've been it. The drumsticks I use with Collision though are the 5A drumsticks. These drumsticks are amazing. The length on them are really, really good, at least in my opinion. Anytime I go around and do my drum fills around the toms and then reach out to like get my crashes and stuff like that, it's never a problem of getting and like executing it. Collision drumsticks provide a really good community for all the drummers around the world. The fact that they're reaching out and bringing all these drummers from across the globe and in the different genres and stuff, it's really amazing. The fact that all of us get to showcase our music. Anytime too I order a pair of drumsticks or merchandise from the website, I usually get it fairly quickly. It's usually like a week and a half or 2 weeks. Fairly normal, especially the fact that they're distributing all the way out of not in the United States. The drumsticks, I mean, they're very durable, you know. They hold up, they can take a punch. Especially the music I'll be playing on the drums, I do a lot of rim shots, and the fact that they're holding up and doing it helps me out in my gigs. I don't have to reach in my stick bag and get another drumstick after it breaks. And I'm about to play some songs for you.